You're welcome to chemistry class with me. So still in preparation for the WAEC Practical 2026 Chemistry WAEC Practical. So we're going to do titration. Here is a question on the board. A is a solution containing 0.103 mole per dm cube of H2SO4. B is a solution containing 1 gram in 250 centimeter cube of SOH. Then, under it we have put A into the burette and titrate with 25 centimeter cube portion of B. Using methyl orange as indicator, tabulate your results and calculate the average titer value. Then, under B we have, from your results and information provided, calculate the concentration of A in grams per dm cube. Concentration of B in mole per dm cube. Calculate the molar mass of SOH. IV, calculate the relative atomic mass of X. So here is the question. To solve this question, we are going to start with titration. For the titration, here is the apparatus. This is a research stand, a burette, a beaker containing the base labeled B, and then our acid labeled A. We have our conical flask. This is conical flask. Then we have our funnel. We have our pipettes or pipettes. Then we also have our indicator, phenoxylene as an indicator. So to start this, let's start first of all, write our table. Then we are going to titrate to get our value. In order to answer this first question that says calculate the average titer value. So now, this is our table. Final reading, initial reading, volume of acid. We have our rough first titer, second titer, and third titer. Don't forget the unit, it must be in cubic centimeter. So to start, we have to measure our acid. Remember to take precaution, avoid air bubble. And if you are reading, make sure that your eye level is below the meniscus. Okay, I'm starting from 1.00. So my initial for here will be 1.00. That's because the acid I feed it to 1.00. You can decide to fill it to 0.00. You can fill it to anywhere, provided it will be enough for the titration. Okay. The next step I'm going to take now, I'm going to pipette the base. Make sure you check the one you are working with. This is our base. They are all washed, but I still want to rinse it again. We are using 25 ml of pipette. Don't shake the last drop. So you can see, now I will add 1 drop of phenolphthalein here. Just 1 drop. You can see the color is pink. Then let's start. Our color change at 12.30. Then I can decide to fill it up again with acid and continue from there. Then if I want, I can still decide to continue from there. This first one, I will discard it. Rinse the conical flask very well. This acid is more, I will reduce it. It's at 0.00. So my initial is 0.00. I want you all to be used to using different initials so that you understand what you are doing. Our initial is 0.00. Now I'm going to pipette another base. Then my phenolphthalein again, just a drop. Just a drop. Remember, once you fill the burette, remove the funnel. So the color still change as this one changed as 12.20. 12.20. Just one drop. At this point, I want to continue from there so that my initial here will now be 12.20. So this 12.20